Hey guys, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. So ready to unlock the full power of your PayPal account? Linking your bank is the key to unlimited transfers and zero fee top-ups. And I'm showing you the instant link method and the manual backup so you can get verified and start moving money today. Alright, and just log into your account and then head to your wallet. In the app, if you're using it, just press on plus, and on the website you press on transfer or add money. Then select banks and search for your bank like Chase, BofA or Wells Fargo. You'll be prompted to log in using your bank's own credentials through a secure portal. Once you authenticate with your bank's app or a face scan, PayPal instantly confirms you own the account. No waiting, no deposits, you're linked and verified in under a minute. And if your bank isn't on the instant list, don't worry. Select Link your bank another way, enter your routing and account numbers manually. PayPal will send two tiny deposits, usually about 50 cents, to your bank. Now these show up in your bank statement within 3 business days. And then one final step. Once you see those amounts, go back to your PayPal wallet, click the unconfirmed bank, and enter the exact amounts. And this proves that the account is yours and officially verifies your PayPal profile. And that's it, you're now linked, are verified and ready to roll. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.